Okay, so the book I chose, or the poem book I chose for this post is called A Foot in the Mouth. It was constructed by Paul, and the illustrations are all by Chris. I can't really pronounce the last name. So, when I went to my local library, I was not able to find a section of books that had poems as a collection. It was usually just a rhyming book. So then I had to go to the receptionist, and she was able to point me in the right direction. So then I found this book, and I thought it was really interesting and really cool. Um, so first thing that I noticed are the amount of poems in it. So there's about 30 plus poems in here. Also, they are categorized into different types of poems. So there's a section for poems for one voice, there's poems for two voices, list poems, tongue twisters, um, rhyming poems, things like that. So I liked that there was a big variety in this book. So when you introduce it to your students, they're able to see the many different kinds of poems. There's not just one poem, which is, they may assume all poems are rhyming poems. So you would be able to introduce this book to them so they can see the different kinds. I also like that there are two-person poems. So for example, it'll split the poem into two columns, and that way two people can read the poem. So this would make it really interactive for the students to pair up and explore these poems together. This would be a really nice writing assignment to be able to compare and contrast different kinds of poems. How are they similar? How do they differ? Things like that. What do you like about this one that you don't like about the other? So they can really get in depth and really realize how poems are structured. So that was it.